Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit the hosts file in Windows to block a website. Whether you want to block social media or any other site, this method is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, we need to open the hosts file. To do that, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog, type C/Windows/System32 drivers and hit Enter. This will take you to a folder that contains the hosts file, but before we can edit it, we need to open it with the right permissions. Right-click on the hosts file and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab. Click on the Edit button to change permissions. In the new window, select Users. Next, check the box for full control under the Allow column to give yourself permission to edit the file. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now that we have the necessary permissions, right-click the hosts file again and choose Open with Notepad. Now that you have the hosts file open, it's time to block the website. Scroll to the bottom of the file and on a new line, add the following entries to block the website you want. For example, to block Facebook.com, you would add this will redirect any attempt to visit Facebook.com to your local machine, effectively blocking it. You can add as many websites as you want to block by simply repeating this step with different domains. Once you've added the websites you want to block, go to File and select Save to save the changes. After that, you can close Notepad. Now, let's test it. Open your web browser and try to visit the site you just blocked. In this case, try going to Facebook.com. As you can see, the website won't load, which means the block is working. If you want to unblock the site in the future, all you need to do is go back to the hosts file, find the entries you added for that site, and delete them. For example, remove these lines. Save the file again, and the website will be accessible once more. That's all for today's tutorial. You now know how to use the hosts file in Windows to block websites. This is a simple way to block distractions or even restrict access on a shared computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.